We're incredibly excited to be showing you this stunning bank conversion in the heart of Warwick.
This beautiful home has 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, as well as 2 private parking spaces to the rear and a courtyard garden, all within the backdrop of Warwick Castle.
Come with us and let's take a look around.
Close to all of Warwick's amenities, including its many independent shops, bars and restaurants, this property is in a great location. There are several good schools within easy reach, including Warwick and Myton schools, and the town's leisure facilities are also within walking distance, with Warwick Tennis and Boat Club, St Nicholas Park and of course Warwick Castle nearby. With excellent transport links, this home really has it all. This is a rare opportunity to own an iconic building here in the heart of Warwick.
If you'd like more information and you'd like to book a viewing, please give us a call.